Well, it's really nice that the town has shown their support by raising the banner there. It also reminds the community that the pandemic is still going on and that we as healthcare workers are still very busy working hard to combat the virus.
It's been a very long, 18, 20 months of COVID. And, about a year ago, we did put a banner up on our bridge to thank our healthcare professionals, healthcare workers. And who knew that, we'd be still in the pandemic and still working through that at this time this year. So we thought it was appropriate to, again, put that message up there. Also is kind of coincidental that, there's a lot of protests through the province and through Canada regarding vaccinations and masks and things like that. And we've seen on the news where some of our hospitals have been subject to protest. And certainly not saying that folks don't have that right to protest, but really directing it towards the hospital when it's a provincial mandate and is a bit of a challenge. And I can just imagine in anyone's workplace having to run a gauntlet of protest and things like that. It's not a healthy environment, and particularly for healthcare professionals who have been totally dedicated and committed to keep us safe.
It's definitely been tough. I think we've all reached a breaking point. We've been overworked and short staffed. So we're all just working our hardest to stay afloat. But dealing with burnout, unfortunately, is a daily issue. We're all tired. Everyone's tired, not just healthcare professionals, but everyone in the community. Everyone's sick of COVID. We all just want it to be over with. Everyone's just frustrated. So unfortunately, we do sometimes deal with that when people come in to the hospital, but everyone is just doing their best and trying to stay afloat.
Whether it's COVID, whether it's a heart attack, whether it's a broken leg, they're there 24/7 to take care of us. And I think that the town recognized that they need a little bit of a morale boost as well. And by putting it up on the bridge, just reaffirms our commitment to them and our appreciation to them. And if you do know a healthcare professional, please take the time to thank them for the work they've been doing.